Search engine optimization. It's about the copy used in your project? Yes, it is. Is it the technical on-page stuff you should do? Right. Is it some of the tools that DatoCMS offers when you are creating and managing your project? Yes, that qualifies as well. But there is something that sometimes is overlooked, which is media files, images and videos, because actually they do play an important role in search rankings as well. And so in this video, I'm going to focus on optimizing your media for search engines. When I say search engines, I of course mean Google, but not just Google, also newer alternatives that are coming up in terms of search, particularly AI-focused solutions like Microsoft Copilot and Perplexity. They are very keen in showing images and videos in the sources they cite, so it's important to optimize Media SEO for those search engines as well. First thing first, some of the stuff that I've covered in previous videos of this chapter are also extremely important when it comes to boosting your media SEO, namely optimizing assets in terms of size and quality, because you probably know that speed and performance have a lot to do with how good your site will rank in search engines. So I've shown you there are some important settings that you can use inside a project to automatically optimize images. I've covered the video optimization. Those are very important for SEO as well. But when it comes to media, every detail counts. And one of the things that is almost always overlooked is naming conventions for images. So you don't want a situation like this where you have this beautiful image of Ponte Vecchio in Florence and with this very non-descriptive name. And so I think it's important that you create a name that resounds with the content, with the actual content. Next is another aspect that is metadata. And this metadata is crucial because search engines do not have vision, and they're also very important for accessibility. Guess what? So if your site is well maintained in terms of SEO, it typically qualifies very well also in terms of accessibility. And so it's important that you always add a title and an alternate text, which will be either displayed if the image or video is not loaded, or it will be used by screen readers for visually impaired people. But it will also be used by search engines to understand the context of your media.